In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete posts in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll feel confident removing a post you no longer want to appear on your Facebook page or Instagram account, all from the same dashboard. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. You're looking for the official Meta link that takes you to the Business Suite dashboard. If you see ads or third-party tools, skip those and choose the result that clearly indicates it's Meta's own platform. Once you're on the correct page, sign in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Use the account that's connected to the business assets you manage. If you have security prompts like two-factor authentication, complete those as usual. After you're in, take a moment to confirm you're working in the right business profile. If you manage multiple pages or Instagram accounts, check the selector near the top of the interface and pick the correct one before you proceed. Next, head to the Content section in the left-hand menu. This is where Meta Business Suite organizes everything you've created, including posts that are already live, scheduled content, and drafts you're still working on. Inside Content, choose the sub-tab that matches where your post should be. Published shows what's currently live, Scheduled lists items set to go out in the future, and Drafts contains anything saved but not yet posted. If you're scanning a long list, a quick look at the thumbnails, captions, or timestamps can help you spot the right item faster. When you find the specific post you want to remove, hover over it and click the three-dot icon that appears next to it. This opens a small Actions menu with options for managing the post. From that menu, select Delete Post. At this point, Meta Business Suite will prompt you with a confirmation screen. Read it carefully, especially if the post was created for more than one channel, and make sure you're deleting the correct item. When you're certain, click Delete again to permanently remove the content. A quick note on what happens next. Published posts will disappear from the selected platform. Scheduled posts won't go live anymore since you've removed them. Drafts are simply cleared out of your workspace. Deletion is permanent, so if you might need the content later, consider copying any text or saving media before you delete. That's it. You've successfully deleted a post in Meta Business Suite. If this was helpful, you can repeat the same process anytime you need to clean up your content.